Here is another small building with some more heat pumps, and I believe this is a road. It's not running, but it's a green one. It's so hot outside. There's a little white goodman right there. This is actually a barber shop right here. This unit is sort of noisy actually. That's a beautiful sound. This fan isn't really spinning that fast. So here it is. There's also a train over there. That goodman is a little bit noisy compared to this train. This train is so quiet. Can't even hear it. It's an XR13. I think this is a straight line. And I don't know why, but they just took off the cover seats right there. And here are all the circuits and stuff. It's pretty cool. I think this is probably, but with Goodman air conditioners, I can't really tell if they're heat pumps or straight cool units. It's not actually that noisy. I thought that heat pump would be noisier than that, but it is sort of noisy. From here I could still hear the noise coming from that Rheem all the way over there. It's really noisy. Here's the road again. Hope you enjoyed the video.